Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mimi's Makeup. This review is a quick review again about this shampoo from L'Oreal Elvive Hyaluron Moisture. Okay, it's a new one. It's a 27 hours moisture filling shampoo with hyaluronic acid. So we saw this everywhere. It was just like everywhere. Like the brand make ads everywhere on the big labels on the streets, on the TV, everywhere. So I decided to give it a try to see it. Like the packaging looks beautiful, the color is attractive, and everyone was going for it. So I decided to go for it from a while, and I used the shampoo first, and then I combined the shampoo and conditioner to use it to see the effect, like a coupling shampoo and conditioner from the same brand. So here's my quick review. This one is the worst shampoo I ever tried in my whole life. It's awful. At the beginning, I tried the shampoo alone for a couple of times, and then I put the conditioner to combine, as I told you. So for the shampoo itself alone, actually, I felt my hair at the beginning. It was so shiny, it was so soft. I feel like it's alive, and it was so easy to handle. It was so easy to style. It was so good, feeling so good, so shiny, so silky, and everything was perfect. And then I began to add the conditioner to kind of magnify the effect of this softness and healthy hair. It was so good at the beginning. And then after like a couple of weeks, like from 3 to 4 weeks, I began to notice that my hair began to fall a lot, like a lot. Begin to see the amount of the falling hair begin to increase every time I wash my hair, every time I brush my hair, style my hair. I begin to see like a full strands from the scalp to the ends everywhere, not like a trimmed or kind of a splitted end or kind of like a small trim of hairs. No, it's just like the whole strands of my hair begin to fall down from my scalp. I begin to feel my hair begin to be way thinner than it was. It was I was going crazy. It was just like, oh my god, what's going on? I didn't think about this product. I didn't think that was the problem. So I began to notice my water drinking, if I drink less water than I should be, if I don't eat well, if I need more vitamins like hair vitamins and take vitamins and supplements, and begin to go in this way. And it was massive. And then I began to read some reviews about this product. Like the girls said it caused hair fall. So at the beginning I was just like, I don't think so. They are advertised everywhere. This looks good and feels good. My hair feels shiny and healthy and all this stuff. And then I decided to give that a try and stop using this product. For the conditioner, of course, because I used a large amount of it, it's empty, and I threw away the packaging. But as you can see, it still has some shampoo. It's from a while. I don't use it anymore. I really don't use it anymore. Sometimes I use it washing through my combining with another shampoo in dishwash to wash my makeup brushes. Not using it on my hair anymore, because when I stopped using this product after like a month or 6 weeks, I began to notice that my hair fall began to stop and become like in the normal range again. Of course, we have a normal range, your normal range, but when it began to become like a massive one, you notice. So I began to notice that massive hair loss, and after stopping this product in the conditioner, of course, and use it a sulfate free shampoo, I began to turn to sulfate free shampoo to give it a try and see if it's gonna do something for my hair. And I can tell my hair fall begin to become fewer and fewer until it become normal again. Now I have a normal hair loss every single day, not massive as it was. There's just going with my fingers through my hair and then come with a lot of hair between my fingers. It was massive. It was awful. It was scary too, because I felt like I'm gonna go bald. And then when I stopped this product altogether, my hair fall began to improve and began to be way less and less until it stopped, like the massive one, of course. And now my hair fall is in normal range again, and my hair is way better actually after stopping using this. So Don't be fooled at the beginning. You will feel so good. Your hair will be so shiny, so good, so silky and smooth, and you will feel, oh wow, this product really, really good. But it's not. It's not. Believe me. From my experience, I read those reviews and didn't believe them, and then I know by myself. So this is my experience with this product. So after using this, actually, I decided to stop using any L'Oreal hair product altogether. I have another hair mask, but it's really good. Actually, it doesn't cause me anything. I guess I'm gonna continue using that, but I'm not gonna use any shampoo or conditioner from L'Oreal anymore. I love the hair dye. Really love the hair dye from L'Oreal. It really gives you a very nice color and a nice shiny, and your hair feels beautiful and doesn't cause me any hair loss like this one. This one is a bad thing. So don't be fooled with the nice color, attractive packaging. It's not that attractive, but it's like looks nice. Like it's purple, so who doesn't love purple? So don't be fooled with the ads everywhere. It's the worst product ever. Ever. So if you saw me and you was thinking trying this product, don't. I'm coming from the future and tell you don't do that. So this is for this review. I know it's a little bit long, but I wanted to make out to you the whole story about the shampoo, conditioner, and what happened to me. I really hope you like this review, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.